Hello, my amazing students. This is Miss Flettis, your school counselor, and today I just wanted to check in with you guys because I have some friends here that really miss you. You might remember them. We have Puppy and Snail. Hello. They just wanted to say hi and say how much they miss you guys. They hope you're doing good. They hope everyone is in the green zone, and we have a bit of a problem. So Puppy and Snail have been here all alone, and they have been cooped up in this office fighting. They're fighting over who gets to play with what, who gets to be on the tablet, who gets to play with the squishy toy first. Yeah, don't look at me like that. You guys know what you've been doing. So when I came in today, I decided to talk to them about things they could do to solve their problems. Now, you might be in a very similar situation with your brother or sister or maybe even your cousins. So we're going to talk about how to solve some problems at home. Stay tuned.